Hi there, my name is Amy Kynes and I'm president and lead trainer here at Ready Aim Teach. I'm really excited to talk to you a little bit today about the active learning pathway. It's all about how we get our kids more actively and kinesthetically engaged with the content. As we're working with our students who are acquiring English, we know how critically important it is for them to be engaged in their thinking, but also kinesthetically engaged in their learning. And so that's what this course and this pathway is all about. It's all about how do we engage our kids so they're not just sitting by the side and observing other people. They are physically and cognitively and emotionally engaged. And that's what this pathway is all about. I'm passionate about that. I have been a teacher both at the elementary and secondary level. I was a staff development teacher, and I now have a training company. And that's our mission, is to empower teachers with the strategies to make learning more active and interactive. And so I hope you just dig into this pathway and get excited to bring active learning strategies to your students as they are learning English along with the content. So welcome aboard.